Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn a Java program to count total number of characters in a string. So here you can see a string yes and having the value learn Java. So what is the total number of characters present in this string? Here we can see it is 9, right? 5 here and then we have a space. Then in Java it is 4 words, right? So total we have 9 characters. So how we'll do it programmatically? Let's go to our Eclipse. Let me create a new class and I will name it as count characters in a string. Okay, fine. First what we'll do, we'll take a string. For example, string s equal to, the value will give learn Java. Okay, then we'll take one more variable, type is integer, and we'll take int count to find the total number of characters present in that string, and we'll assign 0 to it. Initially it is 0. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll write a for loop for int I equal to 0 and I is less than s dot length. So what it will do, it will find length of the string. Here you can see, right, it returns length of the string. Okay, then what we'll do, I plus plus, right? Then we'll write a if block. If s dot char at, I'll tell you what this char at do. Char at I is not equal to, okay, some space, because we want to consider this space. Okay, then what we'll do, count plus plus. I'll explain you all these things. Fine. Then finally we'll print, what will print, count of characters plus count. Okay, so first let's execute and see. Right click, run as Java application. So here we can see count of characters is 9. So here we are telling, right, 3 to 5 and 4 space we are not considering. So let's understand how we got this result as 9, right? So first we have taken a string having value learn, then space Java. Then we have taken a another variable count, type is integer, and we have assigned 0 to it. First we have written a for loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than s dot length. So what is the length here? So length will be 5, then there is a space, then 4. So total it will be 10. So length will be 10, I plus plus. If s dot char at I, so char at I is a method which will return the character at the specified index in a string. Okay, so we'll take the 0th value. If it is not equal to 0, so whatever s is learn Java. In this, what is the, in the 0th position, whatever is there, L is there, right? So if it is not equal to space, then we will tell count plus plus, will increase the count. So initially the count was 0, then the count became 1, because the first value we don't have a space here. Then I value increased, I value equal to 1. Then again we check this condition, if it is not, if it is not equal to space, so which is matching, so the value increased to 2. Similarly the value will increase to 3, 4 and 5. Then there will be a space, so in that time it will not go inside it. Then you will able to see 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll do one thing, I'll print the length of the array, so that will also length of the string, length of the string is s dot length. Okay, so we'll able to understand. Fine, let's execute it. Run as Java application. So here we can see length of the string is 10, but count of characters is 9 because we are not considering this space. So similarly, if you want to add learn Java today, so we are adding another 5 characters, right? So it should be 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, and this should be 15. Sorry, 16. This should be 16. See, length of the string should be 16, which is 16, and count of characters is 14. Fine. So this is the way how you will get total number of characters present in a string. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.